Hey everyone. So yesterday, we got a ton of really good feedback. Thank you for that. Today, um, this graphic in Alex Hormozi's book, $100 Million Leads, made me drop the book and take a deep breath. And I wanted to share it with you because I think it is so important to understand that no matter how much you're doing, how successful you've gotten using one method or one platform or one medium, there is always so much more to do. There's more people to serve and more ways to find them. And I want to look at this, how most people see their market, right? So for me, let me just share with you like what I have been with what really got me with this graphic was the fact that on Facebook, for my specific offer, I'm doing really well. And so I would, increase my ad spend and create new creatives and, I would see, the number of users, grow. But look at how he's representing this. So one circle is one platform. How many more platforms have I not worked on? Right? How many? There's a lot. Like for me, referrals. Am I doing enough to get referrals? Am I doing enough with my affiliate program? Do I have? There are probably affiliates that I could tap into that I haven't yet. Right? Cold outreach. I mean, as at the time of this recording, I'm doing cold outreach. So this is one of those mindset shifts that can change everything for you because you realize that even though you've mastered one thing, one method, whether that's ads or cold outreach or referrals, even with one method being like mastered, there are other methods that you can use to grow your business. Even if you've mastered one platform, like it's for me, I'm really good on Facebook. Um, there's other platforms. Maybe it's one medium. Like for me, I think I'm doing really well when it comes to static images and video content. But there's other mediums, blog posts, long form content like YouTube videos. Like I have not yet mastered or even really attempted to master those mediums. So how about you? How about you? What is the method that's working? What's the platform that's working? What's the medium that's working? And what are the steps that you can take to take it to the next level? So one of the quickest ways to identify what you should do next is to say, okay, what is the method that I'm using now? Maybe it's paid ads or organic content. And what platform can I take this content and duplicate it on? And then another quick way is to take the medium. So maybe you're making videos. You're like, okay, I'm really doing good on videos. There are so many more platforms that you can put that video on. And you can also take these methods and these mediums and empower your affiliates with the content that you're creating. Empower the people that love you to share their to share your content so that you get referrals. Do you see how this works? So um, so this is a big mindset shift for you. Tomorrow we're going to dive into what we call lead getters, and that's going to help you actually take a little bit more action on this. So go ahead and subscribe right now, and then join me again tomorrow. We're going to dive into this. Hey, what's up, everyone? It is Alex Branning here. Thank you for watching. I would love to connect with you. Please follow me on your favorite social media platform. My username is Alex Branning, and you should definitely get Alex Hormozi's book. Go to acquisition.com/books. Grab the $100 Million Leads and all the other stuff he offers. He is a fantastic author and probably one of the best in the marketing game right now. So follow him, buy his stuff, and I will see you tomorrow. Go ahead and subscribe.